Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Instagram business accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy an Instagram business account, start by downloading the Instagram app from your device's app store. If you already have a personal account, open the app and log in. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. Scroll down and choose the option labeled Switch to Professional Account. You will then be prompted to select a category for your business. Choose a category that best fits your business type, then tap Next. Now, select whether you want to set up a business or creator account. For business purposes, tap on Business. Next, Instagram will ask you to connect. If you already have a Facebook page for your business, select it from the list. If you do not have a Facebook page, you can create one directly from this menu. After connecting your Facebook page, fill in the required business information, such as your contact email and phone number. Once you've entered the details, tap Next. You will then have the option to customize your profile with a profile picture and bio. Choose a profile picture that represents your business effectively. Once your profile is set up, tap Done to finalize your business account creation. Your Instagram business account is now deployed and ready for use. Once set up, explore features like Insights to track your performance and engagement. Consider linking to external websites or creating ads to boost your reach. Regularly update your content and interact with your audience to grow your business presence on Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.